Welcome to Excel Vertix. In this video, you are going to learn one of the most powerful function of Excel, VLOOKUP. Whether you are a student or a working professional, we will cover how to use step by step and take you to the next level by using VLOOKUP with array. By the end of this video, you will be able to pull the data like a pro. So let's understand this. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP function in Excel is a powerful tool used to search for a value in the first column of a range and returns value in the same row from another column. Here's the syntax. VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, column index number, and lookup range, whether approximate match or exact match. So in this video, you will learn how to use VLOOKUP, mistakes to avoid, and lookup with array. So let's get started. Here's an example of a employee data where we have employee ID and incentive amount. So we have to find the full name of the employee against the employee ID, designation, and joining date. So what we will do, we will use the VLOOKUP function, then the cell lookup value, table array, which is the employee management, then full name column. So we can select full column or the data which is available. And then we will put the two. So can you see the 2C which is written? So what you would do here, you would write comma 2 comma then approximate match or exact match. You can click on this. Also you can put 0. So 0 is for exact match, 1 is for approx match. You will close the window and you press enter. So the result has been shown. Now you just drag it and the reference against all the employee IDs will come. Now, what if there is some value which is not there and NA is coming? So either you could use if error formula or you can find whether this is available in the master sheet or not. Since it was just a one value, we could understand it. But if it is a length, then you can use if error formula to ensure that if the error is coming, it can show not available. So I'll share that in the next video. Next, if you want to get designation and joining date in the same lookup, then we will use VLOOKUP with array. What you will do, you will do write VLOOKUP in the same manner like we did for full name. Then you select the lookup value, you put a comma, you go to the employee management sheet, you select. So what we need designation and joining date. So designation is on the fourth column and joining date is on the fifth column. So what we will do, we will put a comma, then we will put bracket open, we'll write 4 comma 5 bracket close, curly bracket close, comma 0 for exact match, bracket close, and you press enter. Here you could see both the data are coming here. So designation is HR manager of John Smith and joining date is 15th May 2023. Now what we would do, you will simply drag it. One bonus point which I would like to tell here is, say if there is a filter on this, what would we do? Then you need not be able to copy paste. So what you could do is you press Alt E K and this will show up and you can simply break the link and your data will convert into the values. So it will just break the link and you will be able to use to further evaluate or understand. So I hope you learned VLOOKUP and VLOOKUP with array today and found it useful.